You searched how to buy shares of Lazard Inc. Lazard is a global financial advisory and asset management firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LAZ. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy LAZ, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LAZ to find Lazard Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed LAZ result to locate the correct stock. Open the Lazard Inc. asset page to view a company overview, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and the LAZ ticker to ensure it is the right listing. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may become pending until the next open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new LAZ position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.